In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a field required or mandatory in Jira. This can be incredibly useful for ensuring that your team provides all necessary information before an issue progresses through your workflow. Making a field required in Jira involves a few straightforward steps, and I'll walk you through the entire process to ensure you can follow along without any issues. Let's begin with the basics. First, you'll want to navigate to the Jira settings. You can typically find these under a gear icon, which acts as your gateway to managing various configurations within Jira. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Work Items. This area is crucial as it's where you can manage all aspects of issue tracking within your Jira projects. Under the Work Items section, there is a subsection titled Fields. Click into this area and then select Field Configurations. This is where you have the power to manage whether a field is required or optional across your projects. Now, if your objective is to make a field required across all your projects, you'll want to pay close attention to the default field configuration. This configuration applies universally, unless specifically overridden. Editing this will impact all projects that are using the default configuration. However, if your goal is to have certain fields required only for specific projects or specific issue types, it would be more effective to create a new field configuration. Doing so allows you to exert more granular control by associating your new configuration specifically with those projects or issue types you have in mind. Once you've decided whether to modify an existing configuration or create a new one, locate the configuration you intend to work with and click on the Configure link next to it. This link will guide you to where you can customize the settings for your various fields. Next, find the specific field that you want to set as required. Once you've located it, you'll notice a link labeled Required next to that field. Clicking on this Required link is a crucial step, as it will change the status of the field from optional to mandatory. Once you've clicked the Required link, it's essential to verify the change. You should now see the word Required appear next to the field's name, confirming that your modification has been successfully applied. This little piece of verification helps ensure that everything is set up correctly. And there you have it, a simple and effective method to make a field mandatory in your Jira projects. Making fields required helps maintain the integrity of your workflow by ensuring that all necessary data is provided. If you ever need to revert this change, you can simply follow these steps in reverse. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.